In the year 1803, our enslaved Igbo brothers and sisters refused to succumb to the antics of slavery. They looked at the water and said, "This water brought us here, and this water will take us home." In unison, following the determined Onyenze, who was reported to be in the lead, walked into the water and all died. This festival is holding at the Igbo Landing, the exact place they all died, in their honor. His Royal Majesty Eze Chukwuemeka Iri, Ezeora the 34th, Eze Akajo of Igbo, the head of spirituality and the king and priest of Igbos worldwide, is anchoring the Njuna Tozu ritual. The remains of these our brothers and sisters will be lifted from here, metaphysically, traditionally, and taken back to the conclave of Ezu and Omambala, Abanabo Ezu na Omambala, to be buried properly in Igbo land. This, however, could be said to be in fulfillment of the old Igbo maxim, Isonyi Igbo, Adina Tonamba. For all our viewers out there who are still questioning why this crucial festival is happening in America and not in Igbo land, stay tuned to Adamazi TV to the end of this historic event for updates. May their souls rest on.